Ever wondered how Siri understands your voice or how Netflix knows what you want to watch next? That's the magic of AI, and it's more accessible than you think. AI isn't just for tech giants. It's a tool that can solve some of humanity's biggest challenges when everyone has access to it. Imagine a world where diverse minds come together to innovate, creating AI systems that serve everyone equitably. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to perform tasks that require human intelligence, like recognizing patterns or making decisions. Start with the basics: machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. These are the building blocks of AI. You don't need a powerful computer to get started. Platforms like Google Colab let you write and execute AI models for free. Dive into beginner-friendly courses on Coursera or edX, and explore open-source libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Begin with simple projects like chatbots or image recognition models. Passion drives persistence, and small projects build your skills. Feeling overwhelmed? Start small, focus on one concept at a time, and remember that every expert was once a beginner. AI is waiting for you to discover its possibilities. Take that first step and see what amazing things you can create.